Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Glamrock Bonnie. So first let's get started by drawing our nose. So coming in towards the center, stepping over towards the left-hand side, we're going to draw a curved line that arches across towards the right. On either side of this now, we're going to bring a diagonal line that comes in towards the center, connecting that together. Stepping further up now, leaving a small gap, we're going to continue to arch this line all the way around and then down on the left-hand side. And now stepping over towards the right, we'll replicate that, arching this around, curving that in, ending that at roughly the same height. Starting in the center now, we're going to arch this line around and across, connecting that on the right. And then we'll do the same thing as we curve this around and over on the left. On either side now, underneath, we're going to draw a small diagonal line that comes in, ending that at the same height. And now from here, we're going to draw a straight line that comes across. Stepping further out now, in the middle, we're going to draw another diagonal line that comes in, and then moving over towards the right, we'll replicate that. And now from here, we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Let's step out one more time for the bottom of the chin and draw another diagonal line, bringing that further down on both sides. And then again, we're going to connect this with a curved line from left to right. In this open space in the mouth here now, we're going to draw some teeth. So we're going to draw 4 small triangles as we come all the way across. Let's move up above now and draw in our eyes. So on the right-hand side, moving further over, we're going to draw a nice big circle, connecting this from the top and bringing that all the way around and then in towards the side. And now flipping over towards the left-hand side, leaving a small gap in the center, we'll replicate that, drawing that at the same height. Moving directly in the middle now, we're going to draw in a small circle for the pupil of the eye. And now stepping over towards the left-hand side, we'll replicate that. Moving further up on our line now, we're going to draw in another circle, curving this around and then in. And then flipping over towards the left-hand side, lining that up at the same height, we'll replicate that. Stepping further out on the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a small circle for the highlight. And then we'll do the same thing as we come up and over on the left. On the top now, in the corner, we're going to curve this line around, bringing that across. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Let's draw in our eyebrows now. So coming up on the right-hand side, we're going to draw a curved line that arches across. And then moving over towards the left, we'll replicate that. Moving underneath this now, in the corner, we're going to curve this line across towards the right. And then flipping over towards the left, we'll replicate that again. And now on the outside, we're going to draw a straight line that comes down, connecting those together. Moving up above our eyebrow now, we're going to draw a curved line that arches all the way around and then up on the right-hand side. Drawing in the side of the face now, on either side, we're going to curve this line around and down, bringing that just past our eye on a diagonal. And now from here on the outer portion, we're just going to curve this line around and then in. Stepping further up now, we're going to draw a curved line that arches out on either side. And now in the middle, we're just going to draw another curved line, connecting that together. For the cheeks, in the corner now, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Let's move up and draw in the hair now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And now at that point, we're going to curve this line down. Starting on that point again, we're going to arch this line across and then down in the center. And then again, at that point, we're going to curve that line around and then in. Starting at that point, we're going to curve this line up. And now here in the corner, we're going to arch this down towards the middle again. On either side, we're going to connect the corner by curving this line around, connecting that together. Now let's draw in our ears. So on the top, we're going to draw a diagonal line, and we'll do the same thing on the left, lining that up at the same height. On the top now, we're going to arch this line around and then in for the top of our ear. And we'll do the same thing as we come over on the left. We're gonna make this one slightly smaller. On the left-hand side now, we're going to draw a small piercing. So we're gonna curve this line around and then in. And then stepping around that again, we're gonna arch this line around, back up. And then now from here underneath this, we're gonna curve this line back around and in, ending that at roughly the same height. Now from the corner, we're going to draw a curved diagonal line, bringing that down towards the side of the face on both sides. In the corner here now, we're going to draw an arch line, bringing that up towards the top corner, and we'll do this again on the left-hand side. In this open space now, we're going to draw a curved line, arching that up on both sides. And now starting at that point again, we're going to curve this down and then up. In the top, in this open space here, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then we'll do the same thing as we flip over on the left-hand side. Let's draw in the rest of the body now. So on the outside portion underneath the cheek, we're going to draw a small curved line that arches around and then in. Stepping further in towards the middle underneath the chin, on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And we'll do the same thing on the left-hand side. Starting at that point now, let's curve this line around and then in, connecting that together. And now in the center, we're going to draw a small curved line from left to right. For the torso on either side, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And now on the left-hand side, we're going to draw a curved diagonal line in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same thing as we come over on the right, connecting that together. Moving up above, we're going to curve this line across and over towards the right. On the outside, we're going to draw a small curved line, arching that in towards the middle. And now from here in the corner, we're going to bring a straight line that comes down. In the center, let's draw in a star. So on the top, we're going to draw a small upside down letter V. And then we'll replicate that as we come out on the side. Let's draw two more. So on a diagonal on the left, we're going to bring that around and in towards the middle. And then again, we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's draw in our arms now. So stepping further out, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes down. And then stepping further in, we'll replicate that, ending that at the same height. Let's flip over towards the left-hand side and we'll replicate that. So coming further up, we're going to curve this line around and down on a diagonal. And now moving further in towards the torso, we'll replicate that. From here, we're going to draw a curved line from left to right. We're going to step up one more time and replicate that. And now as we come across on both sides, we're going to draw 3 small circles. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Let's draw in our hands now. So moving further down, we're going to draw in a curved line from top to bottom. And we'll do the same thing on the left. On both sides for the thumb, we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the wrist. For our first finger, we're going to come down, curving this around and then up. Moving across, we're going to arch this around and then in. And then one last time, we're going to curve this all the way around, bringing that over and in towards the corner. For our thumb now, we're going to arch this line up and then down. And then we'll follow this pattern as we come all the way across in our hands. So we're going to curve this around each time, bringing it over towards the side. Let's draw on our legs now. So on the inside, on the left-hand side, we're gonna curve this line down towards the bottom. Moving over towards the right, we'll replicate that, ending that at the same height. For the foot now, in the corner, we're going to arch this line up and then back down. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left, ending that at the same height. Starting in the corner again, we're gonna curve this line across, connecting that together, and we'll do the same thing on the inside. Stepping across towards the outside now, in the corner on the top, we're going to curve another line that comes down on a diagonal, closing off the leg on both sides. On either side now, we're going to bring a long line that comes out, arching that up, and then we'll line this up at the same height on the left, replicating that. In this portion here now, for the toes, we're going to curve this line up and then in on the inside. And now stepping across again one more time, we'll replicate that. And that is it. That's how you draw Glamrock Bonnie. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.